This video starts, guys, give it a like and a subscribe. If not a like, give it at least a subscribe. Appreciate it. Thank you. That's right, guys. Today we got the key for the 530i V8 E34 car. As you may or may not know, we traveled about 8 hours round trip to pick that car up. The seller wasn't there. The car was already bought and paid for via e-transfer, and he wasn't there, so basically he texted us and said he wouldn't be there for a while after we were already waiting for an hour. Just take the car and he'll mail us the key. So it's been about, it'll be a week tomorrow. We got the key. There it is. Now we're gonna see if it runs. He said it ran. I haven't even tried yet. So let's see if she runs. Can't forget the battery. Here we go. Look at that right away. This car hasn't been started in months, supposedly, and look at that, started up first try. That's BMW reliability for you. Sounds like the exhaust is cut off in the center, but as you guys know, if you guys don't know, if you guys want to see the journey to pick this car up, look on the screen there. I'll put it up. You watch that first. Yeah, but now this car is just a donor engine trans for this car. This is the 84 635 CSI Euro spec, full Euro car. Because the tranny went from this one to the L6, and we got this car to put the V8 and the 5-speed in this car, make it into kind of like a track car. But yeah, it's running pretty good right now. Surprised. It's got this hack fucking gauge pod here. That's all working. Let's get some rev clips. See what this engine sounds like, okay? Sounds not bad. I don't hear much of a difference between the 3-liter and the 4-liter personally. Time to disconnect the battery. So yeah, that's it. Today we got the key for the E34, and that's it.